Good morning everyone. This is standard 6 science. We are reading the chapter water, and in this video we are going to discuss about the condensation. Evaporation we have discussed in the previous video. So condensation is a process by which water vapor convert into water on cooling. Okay, as it is written here, the droplet of liquid water on the outside of a cup came from water vapor in the air. You are observing the condensation. Okay, you can see here, and this is also one activity in the book. Okay, that activity I am going to make you understand, and from this one question is also solved. Okay, our aim is to activity number 3. Okay, and page number 207 it is. Okay, what is the aim? To understand the process of condensation. Okay, what material we required? Glass tumbler, okay, clean cloth, piece of cloth, water, and few pieces of ice. Okay, what we have to take? We have to take a glass tumbler, okay, and fill it with the water and also add few pieces of ice. Wipe the glass from the outside with a clean cloth or piece of cloth. Leave the glass tumbler undisturbed for some time. Okay, then you have to observe that. What you observe? Okay, you observe. Okay, you observe that large number of water droplets. Here you can see the large number of water droplets are appears on the outer surface of the glass. From where does this water drops comes? And one important question, this question always comes, can important, from where this water droplet comes? The answer is the air around the air. Okay, here I am saying the, you can see here, 1 minute. Okay, the air around here, this area. Okay, what happened? Around the glass contains water vapor. Okay, we can't see, but it contains the cold surface of the glass. You can see this is the cold surface of the glass. Okay, and which contains ice and water also, and the temperature is low. Cool the air around us. Okay, the air present around here, they cool it. Okay, they cool it, and the water vapor of the air condenses on the outer surface of the glass, and whole this process is called condensation. Again I am telling you, very important question, from where the water droplets are present on the outside the glass. Okay, the air around here, the all around the air is present around the glass contains water vapor, and the cool surface, this is the cool surface, okay, of a glass containing ice and water. This contains ice and water. Okay, cools the air around it, and the water vapor of the air condenses on the water surface of the glass. That's why the droplets comes around that. Okay, I hope this you have understood the activity here. What this has been said. Okay, when water molecules in the air get cold, they slow down and join together and becomes a tiny drops of water, liquid water. This process is called condensation. This is what happen when the water molecules in the air touches the outside of the cold cup that is exposed to air. Now we will read about the floods and its effect. Okay, the flood. Okay, what is flood? A flood is an excess of water or mud on a land that's normally dry and is a situation wherein inundation is caused by the high flow, is overflow. Okay, overflow of water, and these floods are harmful dear. They may destroy homes and other properties. Okay, The sowing also disturbs. Sowing of many crops depend upon the arrival of monsoon. Okay, just too little rain is bad and too much rain is also bad as well. We will see the effect of flood in the soil. Okay, you know the top soil are very fertile, that contains humus, get eroded and nutrients are washed away. Okay, so next crop cannot be grown due to the water logging. Here you can see, okay, the upper part of the soil is eroded, that is too much fertile. You also know that it contains the humus. Okay, now it contains effect of flood on people. You can see, and in Chennai also you have seen, and every year in the Mumbai also the flood comes. Okay, mainly because of the heavy rainfall also, but when you will see in the Bihar also, some area of Bihar also, they also flooded every time. Okay, large scale destruction of homes and property also takes place. Okay, you can see here the peoples are moving around us. They don't have homes to stay, because in their homes water gets into it, and it is very difficult to live inside the home. Okay, the property, they get lost from that. Scarcity of food item is there. Okay, good quality of water is also not available. Okay, poor quality of water is there, they cannot be drinkable. Okay, it causes the disease also. Okay, now some humans beings are carried away by flooded water, and some are die also. Most of them are die. Okay, disease causing germs are also start multiplying, causing, because of the dead bodies of the person also. Okay, and waterborne disease occurs from that. Epidemic occurs on that. Okay, thousands of people at the same time they die. Okay, the disease occurs to them also. The life is disrupted due to the lack of transport and communication. You can see here. Okay, this car, and no vehicles are there. The people are moving around the road on their foot also. Okay, you can't say on the foot. They, some are swimming, some are just moving from one place to another. Very bad condition is there. Okay, the communication disrupted. Okay, pole lines, electrics are disrupted. Okay, so it has too much problem on the people also. Okay, we will discuss the effect of flood on the domestic animals. Okay, floods cause death of animals. Many animals die. You can see here, this place, the animals die. Okay, and they are finding their homes. These are the animals which died. Okay, flood causes death of animals as they are drawn or carried away by the heavy flow of water. Therefore, is a scarcity of drinking water and fodders, food for the animals. Okay, it affects the health and increases the infection of animals due to the germs produced, and they cause too many diseases to humans also. Okay, now we will see the effects of flood on ponds, rivers, and dams. You know that the overflow of water causes, means the whole village is disrupted, filled full of water. Okay, the dams full, overflow, water occurs. It causes the death of aquatic plants also. Many important plants are died. Animals are also died. Fishes died. Okay, availability of fish decreases. Okay, which affects the earning of fishermen. Also the availability of food for the people also, because fish die. We cannot eat the dead animals, dead fish. Okay, so all it was the effects of flood on the whole situation. Now we will see about the adverse effect of drought. Okay, what is that? Absence of rain in a particular region for a long time. Okay, leading to a severe shortage of water, that is drought. The major disaster due to the drought are, okay, just I'm explaining, then we will move to some particular topics. The soil loses water by evaporation. When the soil does not get water for a long time, it becomes dry and hard. Okay, you can see dry and hard, and it also begin to crack also. You can see the cracks in the surface of soil. Okay, now what happens, crops cannot uh, plants cannot grow in this dry and hard soil. This may cause the acute food shortage. Okay, you can see the effect of domestic drought on the people. Okay, it can lead to the human death also. Many peoples die. Okay, due to the poor drinking water, people becomes more vulnerable to diseases and less resistance to illness such as diarrhea. Okay, now the next one is effect of drought on domestic animals. Okay, what happened to the domestic animal due to the less amount of water and the impure water, their health and productivity are affected. They have to travel a long distance in search of drinking waters. Okay, effect of drought on the plant. Just now I said, okay, plants also die. It becomes, soil becomes hard, the water evaporates easily. Okay, increase in the pest can cause the disease also. Okay, now we moving to the effects of drought on the ponds, river and dams. Okay, you know that the groundwater may also go down, leading to severe shortage of water. Okay, now water level decreases. Okay, you know, in the Bihar also some of the area water level table decreases, like in Gaya. Okay, the quality of water is affected also. Increasing the water pollution can badly affect the growth of aquatic plants and animals. Okay, this is the major problem in the whole human life, that the shortage of water is there. Also vegetation such as grasses, fodders does not grow well. Okay, this lead to the shortage of fodder for the domestic animals also, and the animals start dying due to the starvation. Okay, now thank you very much. Thank you.